Hey guys, this is Gold Zero here, and you're probably wondering why I have this face cam. But anyway, I'll be joined by me, my niece, and my mom. So yeah, let's do this. Let's click play, Gold Zero, that, and yeah. So I'll probably be making videos with this like over and over. Yeah. It's pretty dark. Wait, let me just put up my brightness. That's better. Okay, so let's, I don't know, we need to act. Oh yeah, and, oh no. Oh, get away, zombie, get away. And I woke up a few minutes ago, about 15 minutes ago. So, this is mine. Yeah, that's my mom. That's my mom in the background, guys. Yeah, so don't mind that noise. Oh, a star! A star! A falling star. Does that mean Jesus is coming? The fairy princess! Run! I'm just joking, guys. I'm just joking. Wait, where am I going? Yeah. Wait, no! Wait. Where am I going? I'm supposed to be going up there. Wait, I don't remember. Oh yeah, it's this way. My house is this guy. My house. Bleh. Why do I keep on doing that? Yeah, my house is this way, guys. Let's go this way. And let's just beat up that zombie. Beat him like a boss. Just do that. Oh no. So you with my sword, hit you with my sword. Bring it on. I don't care if I die. Well, I actually do, but why is that thing there? Alright, how about I'm just gonna make this. There you go. It's huge. Okay, but anywho, let's do some serious biz. Yeah, we just took out that zombie, and I need wood. Wood is my priority. However you say that. Wood is my. I don't know how to say that word. Mwahaha! Get up from behind me. Ow. That hurts. No. It's turning night again! Oh no, I mean morning. Sorry. I meant morning, not night. Ooh, a slime. That would be useful. Because they give like, I believe it's gel. And you can use that to make torches. And other kind of cool stuff. So, yeah, right now I'm gonna make a crafting table. A workbench. Sorry. Just place that right here. So yeah, technically that was my first night. I can't believe I actually survived. Sorry that my finger keeps going in the way. It's just because my camera's right here. More. Hey guys. What's up, guys? Yeah. So let's make some torches. Let's make a few walls, I guess. Yeah, some walls, honestly. So if you see that hair in the back, that's just my niece. Yeah. So let's make wooden chair. Hopefully nobody comes and steal my chest. I mean, my stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot to make a door. A door. I need doors. 1, 2. So I need doors. Oh my. Okay. Whew. So yeah, you guys are probably wondering how I got the face cam. I'll probably show you guys in the next episode. Yeah, I'll show you guys in the next episode. So, yeah, wait. Show you guys in the next episode. right there, right there, right there, right there. So yeah, in the next episode, I'll show you how I got my face cam. And it was technically based off of one app. Yeah. There we go. My house is safe and well, I'm safe and sound. Break that, yeah. No! I just broke it and then placed it right after. How silly am I? Okay. Now, what we want to do is get this chair up now. Get this. We actually tried this one time. And I did this and an NPC moved in, so I wonder if it's gonna work now. Probably not. Alright, so, yeah. No. Oh, I should make it look like I have armor on. That would be quite cool. If I, like, make it look like I have armor on. So, yeah, I'll try to get me, like, headphones or headsets or something. See, look, somebody already moved in. That was quite beautiful. Yeah, I'll try to get, like, a headphones or a headset to, so I can record this thing, so I won't have to keep on talking like very loud. Cause ow! Get off of me, Leia. Like, she's trying to destroy me. I guarantee that's silver ore. Yes, I knew that was silver ore. So why not get it? Yeah. So in the next episode, I'm gonna try and go mining. Ow! I really hurt it. It didn't really hurt, but just an exaggeration. Come here. Ow! Get off! Get off, please. Oh, she wants to get off the bed. Mommy, look at where Leia is. Look at where she is. Oh, it's a miracle. So yeah, guys, sorry for ignoring you. Well, I wasn't ignoring you, but yeah, let's get back into this. Alright, so yeah, now that we've made our house. Huh? She did it.
You got on the bed?
Yep.
You got a long boy business, got a long girl.
Haha. Wait, that's how Jamaicans speak?
Galang.
Galang? That makes no sense.
Yard.
That makes no sense.
Every Jamaican man that said, we hungry, you know. With me food.
So yeah, YouTube and viewers, let's do all of this.
Yeah, me hungry, you know. With my food.
So yeah, guys, right now, my mom's being funny. She's being very funny.
Hey, hungry, yo. I hope you're not recording there.
I am recording.
Oh, really?
Alright, so yeah, guys, let's do this. Huh? Yeah, they do hear you in the back. Don't you guys hear her? Tell her all about it, guys. Tell her all about it in the comments.
Like the Jamaicans say, I'm hungry, I need food.
Okay, you can stop now. It's very frustrating for me. I hate jumping on those wooden platforms. I'm done. I'm just not gonna do this. Why am I even down here? Oh yeah, to get this. Yeah, okay. So yeah, guys, I'll get the silver ore and I'll end the video. In the next video, we'll be going mining. I need a magic mirror. That'd be quite cool. 38, 59, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. I'm so confused. This is a tongue twister. Yeah, so guys, I'll be ending the episode here. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, or you can subscribe if you want. That would appreciate that. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, or why are you looking at me like that? Yeah. Anyways, don't forget to do those things, okay? Don't forget it. Don't forget to do those things. And see you all later, okay? Bye.